This is the Function House rolling tray. This may be my favorite product that we have. I wanted to make a tray that was intentional. It fits well in your lap, whether you're cross-legged or sitting regularly in a chair or couch. It also works well if you're on a coffee table and leaning forward. The point of this rolling tray is to have a bit of a curve so that you can have all of your material fall on there safely. You can then just give it a quick swirl and all of the material would fall into the little pinch bowl in the center. So why did I make this so wide? This is 16 inches in diameter and it gives you the opportunity to have enough elbow space to work comfortably over your area. The rolling tray was inspired by a lot of specialized craftsmen and artisans that work on such detail and intention with their products, such as watchmakers, jewelers, some chefs even. And having a dedicated space to work with such detail is something that I wanted to share with the consumer. And having this rolling tray in their home. Having a designated spot to do their bowl packing, their joint rolling, their blunt rolling, and having something intentionally designed for that.